Hi, this is Emily Hernandez, your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I want to welcome you to your Safe Haven package. So first, thank you for your order, and second, congratulations on ordering the Safe Haven package. This is actually my #1 recommended package for someone new to Norwex, and you'll see that you're going to have a little bit of something for every room in your house. I'm going to start with your Enviro Cloth. You're going to use this stamp, fold it in half and in half again, lay it against the palm of your hand, and this is your E for everything, and I'll go into the except. So you'll use this on your counters, you'll use this on your mirrors, your sinks, use it on your faucet, everywhere and anywhere that you want to use it. You'll just use it with water. When you are cleaning a surface, you're gonna follow it by the purple polishing cloth. Now, every cloth has an actual tag with the name on it. So if you get confused, you can always go back to your cloth and look at the tag. So this is a 2-step process. Rather than using paper towels, you're gonna use your polishing cloth. You'll clean and then you'll dry with this. That is going to go in every room of your house. In fact, I often will recommend to people to get an extra set because you're gonna be using it in your bathroom, you're gonna want it in your kitchen. Okay, the next one is going to be your dusting mitt. Pretty self-explanatory. The one thing I will suggest with this is that you can spray it with a little bit of water. If you're doing some heavy dusting, you can actually run it under the faucet, wring it out really well, use it for your screen doors. You can use it on your window screens, your car. So use it dry, give it a nice little rub to get that static going. And you know, if you've got little kids, this is a great task for them to do. Okay, so the Enviro Cloth, E for everything except edibles. When you're gonna be cleaning up food crumbs, a lot of heavy food particles, you're gonna go to your kitchen cloth. It's woven different and it's intended to pick up crumbs and release them. Whereas the Enviro Cloth, when it picks up, it holds on to. You're gonna go ahead and use it damp, same way. Use this in place of your disinfectant wipes. I use it in the refrigerator when there's been an oops. I use it on the countertops, the table. I find myself using this daily numerous times. Always wring it out really well, rinse it out with water, rub it a little bit, and then hang it by the tag to dry. I found these magnetic hooks on Amazon. I have them right there on the side of my fridge, and I just keep all my cloths on there for easy access. Okay, the next one is your kitchen towel. It's a nice big kitchen towel. And this one, along with all the other cloths, is embedded with the microsilver. So you're gonna find that your kitchen cloths won't stink after 2 days. Marvelous. That means you're only washing it once a week. At the end of the week, throw it all in the washing machine. This is gonna hold 7 times its weight. You can use it to dry your dishes, to pick up a spill. I like to keep one hanging right there on the fridge, and when everyone washes their hands, rather than grabbing paper towels, you're gonna use either like you can use your kitchen towel, or if you have the chenille hand towel, you can keep that in your kitchen as well. But this one is gonna really reduce the amount of paper towels that you're using. And then we're gonna go to your cleaning product. So this cleaning paste right here is going to be your new best friend, aside from the cloths. Whenever you need to clean your tub, or you've got some stains on your counter, you're gonna use this. This is the one that if you came to my party, you saw that you took the permanent marker right onto the tile. You've got a set of the sphere sponges. You can keep one in the sink for your dishes. This is scratch resistant. Even though it feels like it will scratch, it actually is safe to use even on Teflon. You're gonna dampen this wet because remember, this is a chalky consistency. It's supposed to look like that. It becomes a paste when you use a damp tool with it. So put it under the faucet, wring it out, go in a circular motion, and go ahead and start cleaning. You can also use your Enviro Cloth, like if you're polishing silver, or if you're wanting to do your headlights, it will bring back that nice shine to your headlights. So you can go onto my blog, and I'll make sure to link below, and just search cleaning paste and find all the different ways to use this. You also got your body cloths. Now these are my favorite product. I'm looking for them right here. You got a 3-pack of these. This is what you're going to take into the shower. It exfoliates your skin. You don't need to be rough. You don't need to be rough with it. I like to keep one by the sink to take off my makeup. In the shower, use it on your feet. If you've got little ones, you can use it to clean their mouths and their little hands. This is great because I've got eczema, and so if you've got any skin issues, this with just water will really help the health of your skin. And again, there are 3, so every few days you're going to go ahead and grab a new fresh one. Okay, when you throw in everything to wash, you would have gotten your laundry products with this package. You've got your dryer balls. My one suggestion with the dryer balls is you're not going to need to set the dryer at high temperatures. You're going to use a lower setting and dry for less time, because this will reduce your drying time and actually reduce the static cling. When you're done drying your clothing, if you want your clothing to have a nice safe scent, you can put a couple drops of essential oils on one of the dryer balls and air dry for 10 minutes. That will leave a nice, scent on your clothing, but it won't be toxic. You either got the liquid laundry detergent or the powder. The liquid, if you open the back of the packaging, you'll see how many pumps you should use for your load. And then with the powder detergent, you'll have gotten a scoop like this in your bag. You're going to take the scoop and you're going to throw it in the trash. Don't use this much detergent. I usually mail a label that you can put right onto your bag with the modified instructions. If you did not receive one from me, let me know and I will get one out to you. You're going to use a teaspoon for a high efficiency load and a tablespoon for a standard. So what I suggest to people is to just get a measuring spoon and just drop it right in and use that instead. You're going to find this will last you a long time. So that is it. If you have any questions, please send me a message. If you're wondering what you should get next, I'm going to suggest the Norwex mop. You can actually order the mop right online. You can host a party with me, get it at a significant discount. Or if you'd like to get this mop for free, you can join Norwex. That's actually what I did. So I hope you love cleaning with Norwex as much as I do, and I will see you next time. Bye.